In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade or replace an FX Luminaire PowerBoard LED light engine, whether you're upgrading to the newest generation or making a simple repair. This video will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth installation. The PowerBoard LED light engine combines advanced Luxor technology with the superior capabilities of FX Luminaire's integrated LED fixtures. These luminaires offer higher intensity capabilities, premium color rendering, compact designs, and advanced controls. With these advantages, installing fixtures with built-in PowerBoard technology provides a smart, efficient way to enhance your outdoor lighting system. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to identify the group number, assign the new PowerBoard LED light engine, install and test, use an alternative assignment method. Follow each step to confirm your PowerBoard luminaire is properly set up and ready for use. First, identify the existing fixture's group number. Use the Luxor controller or the Luxor app to turn on a group and visually confirm which fixtures turn on. Check the group number sticker attached to the fixture during the original installation. After identifying the desired group number, assign the new PowerBoard LED light engine using the Luxor controller. By default, all PowerBoard LED light engines are pre-assigned to Group 1. Insert the PowerBoard LED light engine into the LED programming adapter. Then, insert the pre-stripped wire lead into the assignment ports on the Luxor controller. The assignment screen should appear automatically when an FX Luminaire device with PowerBoard technology is connected to the FacePak's assignment ports. If it doesn't, navigate to Setup and select Assignment Mode to manually activate it. Select the correct group number and click Program. If the assignment is successful, the screen will display Assignment Succeeded. If the assignment is unsuccessful, the screen will display Assignment Failed. Remove and inspect the wire leads. Additional stripping of wire insulation may be required. Reinsert them, ensuring the bare copper wire makes solid contact with the assignment ports. After successfully assigning the PowerBoard LED light engine, install it securely into the fixture. Then, use the Luxor controller or Luxor app to manually turn on the assigned group and verify that the fixture is operating correctly. Install the new PowerBoard LED light engine into a spare fixture and assign it at the Luxor controller. Use optional FX Luminaire Luxor accessories to wirelessly assign fixtures in the field using the Luxor app. Once the new PowerBoard LED light engine is installed and assigned, your fixture is ready for operation. Upgrading or replacing an FX Luminaire PowerBoard LED light engine is quick and easy. With a few simple steps, you can restore optimal performance, extend the fixture's lifespan, and ensure seamless integration within your lighting system, giving you more control and greater flexibility. Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.